Imagine editing photos like a pro without ever learning Photoshop. Well, that future is here. Adobe has just rolled out a powerful set of AI-driven features in Photoshop, and they're changing the way we edit images forever. Using its Firefly AI model, Adobe now lets you add, remove, or even move objects in any photo with just a few clicks. No complex selection, no layer drama. The AI handles all the hard work. Want to erase the background? Replace a chair with a mountain? Or clone a pet into the same photo twice? You can do it all, as naturally as typing a sentence. The star feature here is Generative Fill. It lets users describe what they want in simple words. And Photoshop fills in the image with realistic, context-aware edits. But it doesn't stop there. These tools work non-destructively, meaning you can reverse or tweak edits anytime without affecting the original image. Perfect for creators, marketers, and social media pros. This update means professional-level editing is now within everyone's reach. With this move, Adobe is cementing its place in the AI revolution, not just as a tool for designers, but as a creative partner powered by generative intelligence. In short, Photoshop just got way smarter, and your edits, way easier.